Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Premiere Pro video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you how to export your project file in 8K UHD higher resolution in Premiere Pro. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here and go ahead and click on Export tab. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here and title your project right here. So go ahead and enter your project title. And the next thing you want to do is to come to preset right here. Go ahead and click on here and then select more presets. Then here we go. You have 8K right here. Go ahead and select on that. So you have the detail about the video file format right here. So you can see. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on OK. Now you have the detail right here. So the resolution, the frame rate, and everything is going to be shown right here. Just like so. So once you have all the preview, and then you have estimated file size to be this. Okay, so you can see it is 8K UHD resolution. Then the format right here, you can go ahead and click on the format right here. So there are different formats here that relate that work with this particular resolution. So you have different format right here. So I'm going to leave it as this HEVC as the case may be, and then you are good to go. So you can cross-check your output right here, so you can see and make sure you are done with the proper settings. So the most important thing here is the 8K UHD. Lastly, you have to make sure you choose your file location right here. Go ahead and click on here and then choose your file location. I'm going to export it into this particular file location. Once you are done, come down below right there, go ahead and click on export, and your file exporting starts right now. It's that simple. So this is how to export your file as 8K UHD resolution in Premiere Pro. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.